So here we are at Camberley Car Fest 2019, middle of the day, sun's out. We had a little bit of rain, but that's gone. We've got lots of people taking dream rides today. Got some incredible cars here. It's all a bit quiet at the moment because the GT40, which is probably the loudest car here, has gone. 2 GTRs, 2 Mustangs, loads of Ferraris. Absolutely brilliant day. It's been a busy morning. We're hoping it's going to be a busier afternoon with more people coming. Ed China came and said hello this morning, which was great. Ladies on the desk, definitely give them a name check. So Bev and Hazel doing an absolutely amazing job doing the bookings. The marshals, Matt and everybody else, and of course we've got some wonderful filmmakers around, haven't we, Michael? I suspect I'm going to have to stop talking in a minute because there's a rather nice car about to come past, which is a little bit loud. So we'll see what he's going to do. We'll see if we get him in. That GT40 has been going out all day long. It's been brilliant.
You all right? Yeah, good.